Not sure how to use your Toshiba AC Remote? Model number KTKL004. In this video, we'll explain what each button does. Welcome to Flicky Facts. The on-off button powers your Toshiba AC. Press it once to turn on the AC using the last saved mode and temperature. Press it again to turn it off, stopping all functions immediately. Need more breeze? Tap the fan button to control how strong the airflow feels. Choose from low, medium, high, or auto, and enjoy the perfect breeze your way. The up and down buttons let you control how cool or warm your room feels. Press up arrow to raise the temperature, or down arrow to lower it, 1 degree at a time. The preset button allows you to save and quickly recall preferred settings, enabling easy access to your customized options with a single press. Press the mode button to cycle through different modes depending on your need. Cool mode, dry mode, fan mode, heat mode, auto mode. Cool mode cools the room to your desired temperature. Perfect for hot days when you need quick relief. Dry mode reduces humidity without overcooling. Great during monsoon or sticky weather. Fan mode blows air without cooling. Ideal for ventilation or mild days. Heat mode. It warms up the room by blowing hot air, perfect for chilly winter days. Auto mode. The AC automatically selects the best mode, cooling, fan, or heating, based on room temperature. Pressing the Eco button activates energy-saving mode, where your AC balances cooling and power use. It adjusts fan speed and temperature settings automatically. The High Power button instantly boosts the air conditioner's cooling or heating performance to its maximum level, quickly reaching your desired temperature before returning to normal operation automatically. Press the Fix button to lock the airflow direction at your chosen angle. This stops the swing movement, keeping the air directed steadily in one position for focused cooling or heating. Want cool air in every corner? Hit the Swing button. It moves the air vents up and down, spreading airflow evenly across the room for all-around comfort. When you press the Cancel button, it clears or stops any preset functions, such as the timer or good sleep mode. This returns the AC to normal operation without the scheduled settings. Use to confirm and save your selected settings, such as clock, timer, or scheduled operations. Press after adjusting values to finalize the setup. To set the timer for the unit, press the Timer On button to start the on-time sequence. Use the arrow up or down buttons to adjust the desired time for the unit to turn on. Point the remote at the unit and wait 1 second for the Timer On function to activate. For example, if it is currently 3 p.m. and you want the air conditioner to turn on at 5 p.m., set the timer for 2 hours. To set the timer for the unit, press the Timer Off button to start the off time sequence. Use the arrow up or down buttons to adjust the desired time for the unit to turn off. Point the remote at the unit and wait 1 second for the Timer Off function to activate. For example, if it's 10 p.m. and you want the AC to turn off at 12 a.m., you can simply set the timer for 2 hours, and it will automatically stop at midnight. Sleep mode is designed for a restful night. When activated, it slowly adjusts the temperature to keep you comfortable while saving energy. No chills, no wake-ups, just smarter cooling while you sleep. Press the Check button gently using a pin or paper clip to start the self-diagnosis function. This helps detect any system errors, and the unit will display error codes or indicators if a problem is found. The Filter button is used to reset the filter cleaning indicator after you've cleaned the air filter. When the filter light appears on the display, it reminds you that maintenance is needed for optimal airflow and efficiency. Press the Clock button gently using a pin or paper clip to access and adjust the clock settings. This allows you to set or correct the time, and pressing it again with the pin or paper clip exits the clock adjustment mode. Press and hold the Temperature Down arrow button and the Mode button together for about 3 to 5 seconds. The temperature display will switch between degrees Celsius and degrees Fahrenheit. Now you know what every button on your Toshiba AC Remote does. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.